This dough feels so soft and warm. Time to knead it on the table. This dough feels so soft and warm. Time to knead it on the table. Push and fold, building the gluten. It's coming together perfectly. It's so cozy in here with the rain.
It is. These quiet moments are precious.
I'm so glad we have this.
Me too, dear. Me too.
This should hold nicely. The rain is so soothing today. There, all done. Grandma, isn't the sunset beautiful?
It is, my dear, especially with you here.
I love these moments with you.
Me too, sweetheart.